Hello everyone, welcome to BigSeller's WMS tutorial video. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire wave operation process, from generating a wave to package and ship, helping you understand each step of warehouse operations so your shipping process becomes clearer and more efficient. Before we use wave function, we need to finish wave settings. Pay attention when we set different picking method to print shipping labels, and wave end method. The corresponding operation process will also vary. In this tutorial video, we will take two most common wave types as the example: multiple items and single item combination. First, let's see the whole shipping process of multiple items wave. Here we set the picking method as picking while sorting, method to print shipping labels as scan picking basket no, and wave end method as label printing completed. First, go to WMS module. Generate wave, generate multiple items wave. Then go to wave list. Filter the warehouse. Click the multiple items wave and print picking list. Then the package will move to pack. Now the warehouse staff can pick products according to the pick list. The whole process here is the staff find the corresponding shelf and pick the items to the corresponding picking basket. Repeat the entire process until all items have been picked. After picking, we can go to Scan Package page. Enter the wave number and click Confirm. Here, since we set the method to print shipping labels as Scan Picking Basket Number, we need to scan or enter basket number and check the details of each package. Then print shipping labels. After printing, there will be a pop-up asking whether you want to end the wave. After that, package will show in the To Ship list. If everything is correct, staff can click Ship. If there is something wrong, we can mark this package as abnormal. In the abnormal list, we can manually move these packages to ship or let them back to generate the waves. Let's make a conclusion. First, wave settings. We set the picking method as picking while sorting, method to print shipping label as scan picking basket number, wave end method as label printing completed. Second, operation process. We need to generate wave first and print pick list. Then go to Scan Package page, scan and check package. After that, we need to print shipping labels and end wave. Finally, on to Ship list, we can ship package.